Are you tired of hunting through Loom's menus just to find the embed code? Learn how to copy it in under 30 seconds. I'll show you the exact 5-click path. Open Library, pick your video, hit Share, open Embed, and copy the code.
Click Library to see all your saved videos. Now, click on the video you want to share from your list of recordings. Click Share to open sharing options. In the sharing menu, click on Embed to access the embed code options.
Finally, click on Copy Embed Code to grab the HTML, and you're all set.
If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.